All right, we're going to do 18.2 divided by 1.4. And the difference here that you can see is that both of these numbers do have decimal points, but we still write them in the same way. So it's going to be 18.2 divided by 1.4. Now the goal here is to make this number, the divisor, into a whole number. Now how we do that is we are going to multiply it by 10. Now multiplying by 10 is also the same as moving the decimal one place to the right. So my new number is 14, but I can't just change one number and not the other. It's similar to fractions. So if I changed this number, I need to do the exact same thing over here. I'm also going to multiply by 10 sorry, I'm not sure what happened there, slash move my decimal here. So my new problem looks like this, and it will give me the answer to this problem. So when we do this, we say how many times is 14 going to 18? It goes in once. We multiply, it equals 14. We subtract. We bring down, and I know 14 goes into 42 3 times because I know 14 times 2 is 28, so 14 times 3 is 42. And I have no remainder and nothing left to bring down. So 182 divided by 14 would be 13, and that gives us this answer. 18.2 divided by 1.4 is 13. So let's try a little bit more of a difficult problem. So here we go. We still write it accordingly. And I'm going to do the exact same process. So I do not divide until I make that divisor a whole number. Now this time I'm not just dividing it by, or multiplying it, by 10. I'm actually going to be multiplying it by 100 because I'm moving the decimal point twice. So I have to do the exact same thing to this number. 1, 2. My new number, or my new problem, looks like this. Now I still have the decimal because I moved it twice, not 3 times. So it is still right here, as you can see here, which means now that we're dividing by a whole number, we're going to do what we did in that first video, and we're going to bring the decimal straight up. I'm going to do the exact same thing as I have been doing. 39 does not go into 0. It does not go into 2. It does not go into 27, but it does go into 273, so I need to see how many times. But since it didn't go into these 3, they are 0. So we're now checking out, does it go into 273? And we'll put the answer here. So I know it goes in, but I don't know how many times. Well, 39 is about 40. If I counted by 40s, I would have 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240. So I know it goes in at least 6 times. So let's try that out over here. And you will have to do more multiplication than you're probably used to, but that's just how it goes as we get older. So 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 5 is 23. So that gets us to 234. Now let's check to see if 39 goes in there one more time. So I could either add 39 here or try 39 times 7. If I do that, 9 times 7, 63. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. So I can see it actually goes into 273 an even amount of times. It goes in 7 times, and 39 times 7 is 273. I have nothing remaining and nothing left to bring down. So the answer is actually 7/10. So 273 thousandths divided by 39 hundredths is 7/10.